Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst Professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we're going to get into a pretty common question. Do you have witnesses during the divorce process? Now, this answer is, really going to depend on several factors. And that's going to include things like specific requirements of your jurisdiction and the nature of your divorce proceedings. In most cases, witnesses are not typically required during the divorce process itself. Unlike a trial, where witnesses may be called to testify under oath, divorce proceedings are primarily administrative in nature, focused on resolving legal and financial matters related to the dissolution of marriage. However, there are some situations where witnesses may play a role in the divorce process. For example, if there are contested issues such as child custody or allegations of misconduct, witnesses may be called upon to provide testimony or evidence to support one party's position. In cases where there are allegations of abuse, infidelity, or other forms of misconduct, witnesses may be called upon to corroborate or refute the claims made by either party. This testimony can help the court make informed decisions about issues such as child custody, visitation, or spousal support. Additionally, witnesses may be called upon to provide character references or attest to a party's financial situation or parenting abilities. These witnesses can offer valuable insights into the circumstances surrounding the divorce and help the court make decisions that are in the best interest of any children involved. It's important to note that the use of witnesses in divorce proceedings varies widely depending on the specific circumstances. Each case is different, and the preferences of the parties involved are also taken into consideration. In some cases, witness testimony may be instrumental in resolving contested issues and reaching a fair and equitable outcome. However, it's essential to approach these use of witnesses with caution and discretion. Witness testimony can be powerful, but it can also be subject to scrutiny and challenge. It's important to ensure that any witnesses called upon are credible, reliable, and have firsthand knowledge of the issues at hand. Ultimately, the decision to use witnesses during the divorce process is a strategic one that should be made, really in consultation with your attorney. Your attorney can help you evaluate the potential benefits and risks of using witnesses and determine the most effective approach for presenting your case to the court. In conclusion, while witnesses are not typically required during the divorce process, they may play a role in certain situations where their testimony or evidence is relevant to resolving contested issues. Understanding the role of witnesses and their potential impact on your divorce proceedings can help you navigate the process with confidence and clarity. So that's all the time we have for today. I want to thank you for tuning into this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. Should you have any questions on this topic or any other financial planning issues, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.